to me. An hour and a half. When I fell asleep. I woke up, Ringo. We hadn't even left. I said, no. I said, how long's the flight, love? She said, 7.5 hours. I said, mid-bongo cart. Listen, and then when we reached there to Canada, 2 hours. We was waiting for our bags. Even when I got my bag and one of Ringo's bags, I went outside to bun a cigarette. Ringo was still waiting for his other bag. Bro, we come out of there about 10:30. Joke thing. But here we are going. Big up Greg. Big up Blues. Because we're there in Canada. And now it's fucking active. And now it's everything turned red. Ringo, everything turned red.
Oi, people.
Yes.
Tell them what I want.
Listen, a lot of things is going on. The main thing you need to know today is we're flying out. We're gone again, but this is a very, very special trip. This is a place where there's a lot of M.R fans, a lot of Ringo Vision fans in this place. We're going Canada, people. Oh! Yeah, man. Do you know what, bro? I don't like all this until I've got I'm here and I've got my boarding pass. Then I'm happy.
We're
going Canada, people. It's mad, you know. 8 hours. 8 hours flight. Boy, I don't even know what to say about that. Are you prepared for that?
Yeah.
When was the last time you done an 8 hour flight?
Boy, a long time I've done an 8 hour flight. I'm not going to lie.
Long time ago, innit?
Yeah.
Last time you went to Jamaica?
Nah, Dominican Republic.
It's a long flight, man. Yeah, we're there, man. We're there at Heathrow. Pick up all the man there. They just got us, they bus us. I think we had to pay for our bags, you know. You know that, innit?
Yeah.
They bus us. That is it.
Yes, people, so we're fully active, man. We're fully outside. So, yeah, man, we're just going to quick little walk around right now. So,
Bit of fresh air before
yeah, people, we're into a new season. Big up yourself. Oi. I know you haven't seen much cooking on 24-hour kitchen, but guess what? I'm taking you guys to Canada today, people.
Anyway. Listen, let's show you. Can we just show them like what Canada back for food?
Yeah.
Let's show them, innit?
Yeah, we're gonna show you guys.
Maybe some cooking, but we just show you our God, innit? You want to see people? Leave in the comments if you want to see what kind of food that they eat in Canada, because even we don't even know. You ask the question, what do they eat in Canada?
I'm not too sure yet.
I just think it's like America, innit?
Nah, a good vibe. So, respect, brother. Yeah, man. You're good vibes, good vibes. I have to thank each and every one of you guys, man. Like, it's been such an amazing journey on 24-hour kitchen. The dynamics of the channel has lifted and changed so much over the period of the last 3 years coming. April's going to be 3 years. The channel is going to be in its 3rd year anniversary. I'm going to make an announcement of us having a launch. Everybody, yeah, pick up yourself. Oi, M.Dot's just sorting out his little things, them liquid, them that you have to put in here, that you can't bring on the plane with you. You have to just close them in a clear bag of good vibes. So what does it feel like now coming through like airport, border force? Like, remember, obviously we travelled to Sweden last time.
Right.
Yeah, to Europe.
Right.
And before everything turned red. So
Okay.
now everything's turned red, and now like the freestyle's out.
Yeah.
Just as we're travelling to Canada, Emma.
Right.
What's the feeling like?
Nice. It's overwhelming, man. It's a great feeling, bro. Like, we've literally we've been recognised at every part of the journey so far. We're just on the plane, you know. So it's nice, man. It's nice, bro. And then I think this is going to help with the promotion for the freestyle as well. So yeah, man. Good vibes, bro. I'm just excited to get to Canada now. It's a long flight, but I'm excited to get there and just turn up the place. Just light up the place, bro. Like Canada, we're gonna make our mark in Canada this weekend.
Yes, everybody. So yeah, man. Next stop's Canada. We're gonna go and get some breakfast, get something to eat now quickly. Yeah, man. Our good vibes. I got the big jacket on already, yeah, because they said that the weather's -8 over there. So No, take no check from early people, yeah. You don't know what I go on. Big up everybody that's on the journey with us, 24-hour kitchen and cook and vibes people, yeah.
That is it.
That is it. People, look. Right now, I have to show you this on 24-hour kitchen, yeah, look. They've got the robot now, yeah, that is cleaning the floor, people. Look at that. Look, he's just traveling around and cleaning the whole airport. Look at that.
Watch it move, people. It's gonna tighten, alright. He waited for him.
He waited for my man to pass, you know, look at that. Yes, people, so we reached that point on the journey where, yeah man, boarding now, so good vibes, people. Big up yourself. Looking for the gates right now. Yeah, mad. Escalator there. If you drop down this, you're a goner. Next transport that we're on right now. Different type of escalator. Yeah man, we're going to the boarding right now, people. Big up yourself. Yeah man, looking forward to this trip, you know, everyone. So going there for Turn Red. I'm not going to be performing as soon as we get there. The same day we get there, off the plane to the hotel, and yeah, to the show. Good vibes. Alright, so we've landed. We're here in Canada, waiting for baggage claim. Big up yourself, everybody that stayed tuned on this episode. We're in Canada now, so look out for the new videos, them coming out very, very shortly in the next couple of days, people. You don't know what I go on 24-hour kitchen. We're there, we're in the cut. We had a very, very, very long flight today, about an hour and a half delay. But yeah, man, a good vibe, said way, people. Yeah, big up yourself. You don't know what I go on. We're fully active, we're fully outside. Just gonna get the bags them and start the rest of our journey, people, yeah? Good vibes. Literally just come out the airport, people, yeah? Literally waited 2 hours just to come out the Ross Clark Airport. I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
What is this? What's all this about?
I can't believe it, bro.
Listen, we need a private jet.
We need a private jet.
Private jet, please. Celebrity.
People reach.
Listen, man, like, I have no idea with me like celebrity, you know. Man, I tell you the truth, we need a private jet.
A good vibes, people.
Drake, listen to me, bro. Drake.
You're
we need some of these private jets.
You're sitting on move now, man.
Hey, Drake, the nah idea with me like my father. You know, you think of one OVO, one unruly. Sort it out, my bro, man. Come on.
Yes, people. So we actually landed in Toronto right now. We're here. We're going to our first location, which is the hotel. It was an
hour and a half. Brett, I fell asleep. I woke up, Ringo. We ain't even left. I said, no. I said, how long is the flight, love? She says 7.5 hours. I said, me bongo cart. Listen, and then when we reached there to Canada, 2 hours. We was waiting for our bags. Even when I got my bag and one of Ringo's bag, I went outside to burn a cigarette. Ringo was still waiting for his other bag. Bro, we come out of there about 10:30. Joke thing. But here we are going. Big up Greg. Big up Blues. Because we're there in Canada. And now it's fucking active. And now it's everything turned red. Ringo, everything turned red.
And a joke thing, people. Look, I'm not tell you already. We're here. We're in Canada, people. Yeah, it's a good vibe. So, look, just stay tuned, people. Yeah, we're in a new season. Yeah,
we're in a new country.
And we're in a new country.
Here we are going. You see the side of the road? Then we see white snow. Everything turned red.
Everything turned red.
Oh.
Yes, everybody. Thank you very much. We finally reached our destination. We're in Canada, everybody. Yeah, big up yourself. Stay tuned for the rest of the episode. Like, it's finished here, but we've got a journey. I'm going to be vlogging the whole journey, people. I'm going to be cooking. M.Dot's going to be performing, so there's a lot to see, everybody, yeah? Big up yourself. A good vibe. He's performing tonight. We're basically going to check into the hotel and get ready, and he's going to be performing. Good vibes, 24-hour kitchen. You don't know what I'm going, people, yeah? We're outside, fully active.